Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Lego Fortnite spawn bug. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So to fix the Lego Fortnite spawn bug, the best ways to fix it is by forcing a respawn, which you can accomplish by creating a new world. So you can then add friends as a world key holders again and then just try your luck. So if everyone spawns in the same place in the new world, then you should just start working toward placing beds in your village to lock down your spawns. And so that's it for this video. That is a simple way on how you can possibly fix the spawning error in Lego Fortnite. And so I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.